To become a professional day trader, I thought that I had to trade all day, 8, 10, 12 hours a day. I was 19. Well, now I'm 44 and I trade only 30 minutes per day. And I'm very profitable and successful in what I do because I found a strategy, actually a model, that my coders put into a bot, into an algorithm. Today, I'm going to break down the exact strategy that we use and we coded so that you can replicate by yourself. But listen to this. As you know, I do professional bodybuilding. I'm actually preparing for MPC in Colorado in July. And one of my legends is Dorian Yates, okay? So he always is with this philosophy that you need to train less and give all in, 45 to 60 minutes. So not high volume trading and 4 times a week. And the same is for me in trading. It's about the quality, not about the quantity. So I don't want to trade like 20 stocks, 10 futures, 10 options. I want to trade few things with a very high win rate that I know that I'm going to be successful with. So as you know, coders out there, this is through Python. And I'm personally not a coder, so I work with coders myself and two of the best, most intelligent guys that I know. So we made a backtesting from 2020 to 2026 with a 50K account starting. And the results are impressive, 424K profit with compounding. And average trade time is 2 hours and 47 minutes. But remember, there are going to be trades who last like maybe 5 minutes, then we have a reversal. We only trade the first 7 main stocks of NASDAQ, so Apple, Microsoft, Google, etc. And only the first 30 minutes per day. But as you can see, certain trades, of course, they lasted more. But we wanted to take the first trade in the first 30 minutes. And profitable trades, 65%. So that is a very high win rate. This instead is with a future account, backtesting, ES&NQ, trading with both algos the first 30 minutes, I-50 and IOTA. So we started with a 250K account. The results were 1.3 million. Average trade time, 10 minutes. So you see, it's only 4-day trading. This can be used for futures, stocks, forex, crypto. And the win rate, high, very, very high, 66%. Now, if you trade futures, just know this. We also backtested the market in the last 6 years, from the starting of 2020. So you have to know that if you're trend following, only 34% of the time you will actually be profitable. Because 65 to 66% of the time, market is going to simply reverse in the first 30 minutes, and those mean reversal plays will be the ones that will give you more money. How the system works. First of all, you have to look for pre-market high and pre-market low. You always have to look for also the major pre-market support and pre-market resistance. In this case, we have Tesla. You can see this blue line, this blue zone over here is a zone of major support in pre-market. So once at the open, we break with that red candle, the level of 400 and we reclaim it, that's our signal of entry. So those green bubbles, okay, I'm not here to talk about that. That's one of our algorithms came from Python and we use only TradingView for visualization as the code is generated on another source. And that gives us around 66% win rate for at least 3R on this extension. Now, backtesting we made was for about 2R, but when we trade Tesla in particular, is around 3R because it was very trending versus, for example, Apple and a few other stocks. So every single stock, of course, will have different outcome. So how is that set up over here? Basically, you're not looking for a breakdown. You always wait for, and if it happens, the reversal play. In this case, a liquidity trap. So liquidity pool breakdown, reclaim, and on the close of the first bar with the bubble, you simply enter. And then you simply hold it at least, so we backtested with the previous day high target. Here's an example on NQ. So in this case, we're talking about pre-market NQ. As you know, we are located in Europe, in San Marino. We have a trading academy over here. So if you want to come, let's see, we had 150 traders. And by the way, the 27th of March, I will trade live in front of 300 traders in Italy, the biggest trading event to me and to other traders. I will have a $500,000 account only trading with algorithm. So if you want to come, it's free. You're going to enjoy it and see me there. So in this case, you can see that we have that 25,100 is a key level of supply. Once we break it over there around 430 and we generated that red bubble, that tells that institutions are actually dumping. But that's what, this is a fake breakout. So they call it like a buy stop, or they call it like a pull liquidity trap. And once we fail on that same bar where we have the bubble over here, we're actually gonna trade short. Place a stop. We're gonna look for the previous day low. In this case, this was a trade that simply gave like 6 to 7R. Another example over here on NQ, and you can ask me many times, is 1 minute better than the 3 and the 5 and 15? Trade the, I would say, the time frame that fits you the most. Personally, we backtested everything with a 5 minutes, but it's generated by the code. So you can actually see this on a 5, on a 3, on a 15, on a 1 minute. It doesn't really matter. What matters over here is that we have that 25,870 pre-market high resistance. And on that breakout over there, where you see my arrow, we have a liquidity pool trap. So you can see that we form a doji, okay? That becomes a reversal pattern. So even if you see candlestick, but it's not that important for me, what I like to see is that we start closing on the bar after below that pre-market support, that pre-market resistance, and then we take the trade. We stop above, so we put the stop above the red bubble, and then we write it all down again to the previous day low. In this case, we didn't touch it. You can see we came around that, something like about 40 points away from that, but that was an amazing, almost 200-point dump. This is another example. In this case, we trade stocks or options in the room. So we can do all this live every single day. So what I'm explaining right now are not, the cherry pick. This is exactly what the system is generating. So go watch also the videos on YouTube, because there's a ton to learn. And you can now also get our bot to trade with you for a very low fee that we want to give everything the possibility to generate an income per month. So AMD is one of the, not the first 7 stocks that we back tested, but I consider the 8th one, because AMD, it's a very, I would say, profitable for us. Also liquid stock, has amazing options with a very low spread, and has a lot of range. And it moves often, really like NQ. So we always keep this on watch. So liquidity pool, again, open. You can see that it pops above 252. We generate over here like red bubble, second algo FFT that tells us that we have a fake out. And then we can simply start trading on the first bar, close the entry. And then you can see that they were also earnings. Now, I personally would suggest not to hold full size in the earnings, okay? Because that's like a lotto, but I still like play pretty good, even if you take the trade until the previous day low. We'll see some examples, but what I wanted to share with you is, this is FTMO. This is one of the traders that we have in the room. So you can see that actually using the system, he passes challenge, and now he's getting like his, monthly or 2 months paycheck. This is another trader that simply had an incredible year. So he generated over here real profits. And this is the reason why I like a strategy, because this model simply keeps away the emotions, and we can actually trade only based on the system. So if the system generates a signal, we trade. If not, we're disciplined not to take trades. Now, we personally managed to connect 2 of our brokers with an API to the code itself. So actually, I don't have to do anything, sit over here and it trades by itself. But there are like other brokers, for example, Webull or Robinhood, they don't have the possibility to connect it through their API. So you have to do like create an official API yourself, or simply stay there like a lot of our members do. They simply follow the signal, trade the model, but of course they have to press the buy, press the stop. So let's look over here how the system generates the signal. Now, traders, be a little bit of patient, because TradingView is not really the best platform to retrade, okay? I'm just showing you how the signal is generated, but you can actually get into the room and trade with us every day and see how it performs. So I'm gonna put over here replay. And again, it's important over here to spot that pre-market high. And we also have, you can see the previous day high. And then over here, we have the pre-market low and the previous day low. So we are into the previous trading range. Now let's play it. I put it like very, very slow. So you can see the first bar, it pops over here, it generates over here on this bar. On the close of the bar, we have a short play. The system plots a stop over here, it generates the entry over here, and now we have this as target. And now I'm gonna go just a little bit like faster to see how it moves. Boom, target over here. And then we get to the second over here, demand zone for the next target. Another example over here, in this case, we have the 930 open. You can see what happens. This is a liquidity trap. So what we call over here, a liquidity pool trap. It forms over here our bubble exactly when over here we have the open of the bar. And here where it plots over here, the stop. Then you can see that we have a second bubble, so we can increase our position. Now, the target always remained the pre-market high, and we only take trades in the first 30 minutes. So first 30 minutes, you take the trade. If doesn't happen anything, you don't take the trade. And then we look for the outcome of the trade. So I'm gonna play over here, see where it goes, target first hit, and then you can decide to trail or not. But we have backtested with the previous day high or previous day low, according if it's like a push or a fail of the previous day. So now I'm just showing over here two of the algos that we created. Now we're going to use also AI integration. And as I said, you can now subscribe to have them like monthly, or simply join the trading room where you actually see my screen and you see me trading these live with my team. So this is like how the system generates over here, the trades. You can see over here, give the long, this doesn't repaint, gave a long over here, short over here, here give a short and long, and then out, short play, all these came to target. So we had a long, small win, short over here, stop over here, break even, short over here, break even, then no trade, short little win, long over here, stopped out over here, break even, short play over here, scratch trade, stop over here, and then win, long play from here all the way up, win, short play over here, scratch, no trade, break even again, win, and then over here we are today. But we can choose whatever you want. The system will simply like crack the market because it's able to spot when institutions, so the smart money, not orders, not liquidity, not order flow, but when institutions are actually buying. How we found this, I shared, some of the biggest, I would say, info in the previous video, so go watch it. But this, for example, is another one. This is Microsoft buying a dip, 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 buying a dip. We can do hood, so you can see hood over here generate a beautiful long play over here, long play over here, long and short over here, stop, and then we can go back. We had a long play over here, short play over here, short over here, stop, short over here, win, long win, and so on. We can choose AMD. Remember, we're talking about AMD. Short break even. You can see it generates a long over here, and then short, long over here, all the way up, long, and then we are today. Now, all this to tell you that I had the best trading of my life, even if I traded since 1999, so around 26, almost 27 years. By 2025, March, April. I remember I was trading discretionary. I was doing a bit of difficulties those months to trade because I had like a lot of issues, especially with anxiety. And I know that if you are a professional trader, if you are a trader, you know what it means. So there's not any shame in sharing this. I mean, I can tell you exactly that I was really in the moment that I said, oh, I cannot trade anymore. I just have to be a mentor because I'm done. But then I finally finalized the codes of our algos, and it was 2 years we were working with that, really 2 years, infinite thousand of hours we put in. And now I'm so really happy because I'm having the best trade of my life. Less stress, profitable account. The accounts I'm trading are growing very good. I'm actually doing a small account for my daughter, and it's up like already 50% in about 1 month and a half. And I'm sharing this every single day with broker statements in my room. So that's simply amazing. And again, guys, 27th of March, if you want to trade with me or follow me today, I'm going to be in Rimini. There are going to be around 300 traders in the room, me and 2 other guys trading. So come to Italy. And if you don't, join over here in the room or take the bots and then tell me yourself. Leave a comment in the description and let me know if you need any help. Thank you.